Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Docker in Mac OS. Docker download. So you can click on Docker desktop. See, you can get it here. Download for Mac, Apple chip. Mine is Apple chip. Click on download. So it is 419 MB. It will take a little bit of time to download. Now it is done. Click on the folder. The screen will pop up. You can drag and drop Docker to applications. Drag and drop. So once you have done that, it will ask for this. Docker is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open. So it will open the Docker. You'll get this screen. Docker subscription service agreement. Click on accept. Click on use recommended settings. Click on finish. It will ask my password. Click on OK. Now this will ask me to sign in. If you have an account, you can sign in, else you can sign up using a Google account. So now once you have signed in, you'll get to the screen. Welcome survey. You can click on skip survey if you want. This will be the Docker desktop which is installed. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.